This quick kitchen science trick grows sparkling crystals right before your eyes in just a few minutes. Dissolve 2 spoons of salt in hot water, then tie a clean string to a pencil and suspend it. As the solution cools, the water evaporates and salt crystals start forming along the string in shimmering strands. The science is simple. Salt molecules resist staying dissolved as water leaves, crystallizing into tiny geometric shapes. End with a vivid sparkle when light catches the crystals and viewers discover how temperature and time shape matter.